Most of your 90% efficient furnaces are going to take in water in the intake pipe, which typically hooks here. And if that is installed right there in the middle of July, you're probably going to have water dripping on your gas valve. That's a pretty common cause of gas valve failure, is when they put the intake up here. So when I install furnaces, I always put this particular furnace has got holes, knockouts here, so you could put that thing on the side here, and that's typically where I put it, right there, or on the other side, you know. And then you got a drain that you can collect that water in the middle of July and protect your gas valve. Otherwise, if yours is coming in here and your gas valve failed, you know, build a rain shroud with like a milk carton or something and zip tie it over the gas valve to keep that water from dripping on the gas valve.